How to write fractions in PowerPoint. Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to write fractions in PowerPoint, so your search ends here. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can write fractions in PowerPoint in just some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. To write fractions in PowerPoint using autoformatting, type your fraction without spaces. For example, type a half. Press space and your text will convert into a fraction symbol. The same method will also work with a quarter and 3/4. If the autoformatting function doesn't work, you'll need to turn it on. Click the File menu. Select Options at the very bottom of the left-hand menu. Select Proofing. And click the AutoCorrect Options button. Ensure that the fractions, a half, with fraction character, a half, checkbox is enabled. Save the changes and close the menu. And you are done. By using this method you can easily write fractions in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.